Hi everyone, good morning. Our today's topic is paper May 2016. So we will solve activity number 2. These are the activities. So our today's topic is activity number 2, using database. Okay, this one. So using database software, 45 minutes is the time. Martin has created a database to store rental details for the company. Customer details are stored in the contact table. Okay, in the contact table. So we will open the contact table from supporting files. So office 3 or office 7, any you can open this database THR 2000. This database consists of 3 tables: contact, cottage and rental. Okay, now open THR 2000. We have already opened this. This is task DB1. We have opened THR 2000. Open the contact table, and these are the details for the table. Just go through it. Structure of the table. Okay, if I show you in the database, this database contact table, open in design view. See, this is the structure of the table: field name and their data type. Okay, so this will be given to you. So this is just for information. Open a new document using word processing software. That is very important. So you will open word processing, set orientation to landscape, and enter task DB1, your name, candidate number in this. So now here, from today onward, in footer of the document, we will just type task DB1 name XYZ, not actual name, because it is a YouTube policy. Okay, no personal name will be written and no center number will be written in actual. We will just give you example. Okay, save the word process document as task DB1. So we will open MS Word. New. Okay, so from this ruler, make it up. Now go to layout and set orientation landscape and insert footer and select this option. So in this you will enter task DB1. Here name XYZ. I will not write any name because now YouTube policy personal name will not be written. Okay, and here ID, your roll number, any number you can enter, any number 1012, any number you can write, given to you for examination point of view. Okay, and here center number, center number, you will write the number given to you. So you will write here the number, but I can't write the number now here. Okay, close it. Now save this file in a proper folder on you can browse, and desktop 2000 is there, so make one folder 2000 results. Okay, open this folder and give name task DB1. so we have saved this file with the name task DB1, right? So save the Word document as a task DB1. We have done this. Now Martin wants to add a new customer to the contact table. So we want to add the table in the contact. Add these details to the contact detail. So this detail will not show. Okay, so you will add these detail one by one. I will just show you. Here, open the contact table and you will add here. Okay, any name here, title here, and you will save. Okay, and sort the contact table in ascending order of the last name. Okay, so I will tell you here, that is here JSA32, JSA32, then Mr. James, then Sandalwood Street 13, Stain Street 13, Stain Street. Okay, and this is the town. You can copy from the paper also. We can uncheck this. Clark Munok. Okay, so Clark Munok AF49CN AF49CN and copy this text here, and then mail, then 11th March 1987. Okay, so here see the format of the date 3/21, so it means days in the middle, month first. So 11th March, 11 first, 3 after, and then 1997. Okay, so we have done the entries. Now sort the contact list as per the last name. So sort the contact table in the ascending order of the last one. So you will go to the table, see this a table, first name, last name only. So you will click here, right click and A to Z. So table has been sorted, save it, close it. Now right click and copy. Right, then go to the Word file, the file we have made here, task db1, control V. So this is the table. So we have saved. Okay, so part B we have done. Now save the contact table, copy and paste the contact table in task db1. We have done this. Make sure all data table is displayed in one A4 and is easy to read. So data is visible on A4 page. Okay, and now you will, as per the examination point of view, you will print this sheet on A4 side, but printing is not required nowadays. You will save as a PDF. Okay. Now task DB2. Open a new document using word processing software. Enter task DB2, your name, candidate number, center number, and save the word processing task DB2. So see, once you created task DB1, this one, now save this as a task, save it as a task DB2. Save as task DB2 in the same folder. Click on the table, right click and delete the table. Okay, and change here, double click here in the footer and change into task DB2. This will remain same. Name, your name will come here, your roll number will come here, and your center number will come here. Okay, and close this footer and save the file. Now we have created task DB2. This we have done. Now Martin wants a list of customers who were born before 1st May 1951. He wants all the fields displayed. Create a query search contact table and save the query as DB2A. Display the results of the query search. So you will go to the database. Okay, go to create and query design. Add the table contact. Make sure all fields are visible and double click on the fields and enlarge it from here. Okay, so birth date is here. So in criteria, or so you will write under birthday here, before or on. So it means lesser or equal. See, lesser or equal. Month should be 1st, 1952. Hit enter key. Okay, so this is the syntax for the date, 5/1/1952. Okay, before or less, lesser or equal sign. Now go to query design and run. See, these are the information, these are the results. Okay, so open and design view. So this is the query, and now save the results as a DB2A. This one we will check it is DB2A or DB1A. DB2A. Okay, now right click on the query. This is a query table. Right click and copy and go to your file, task DB2 here. Move it up from this ruler to create more space and control V. So this is the table, proper name is there, heading is there. If you want to make it enlarge, so you can extend from here like this. Okay, this is task DB2A, and we have saved copy paste results of task DB2. Don't print at this stage. Open the cottage table, go in the database, close this query, open the cottage table. Okay, Martin wants a list of cottages with 4 bedrooms and a star rating greater than 3. Okay, with 4 bedrooms and star rating greater than 3. The list should show only the fields cottage name, sleeps, star rating and daily rate in this order. create a query search on the cottage table to produce this list. Cottage name, sleep, star rating and daily rate. So we will go to the, you can close this table. Now go to create query design. We will add cottage table. Make sure all fields are visible like this. Add all fields here, double click this one. Now they want to show cottage names, sleeps, star rating and daily rate 1, 2, 3 and 4. They don't want to show bedrooms, and though they don't want to show cottage in the results. Okay, but we will add all fields. We will check on only those fields we want to show. Now in criteria we will add the criteria to find out the records. So see, if they have said 4 bedrooms, mean number 4 only, and star rating greater than 3. So this is the criteria: bedrooms 4 and star rating greater than 3. So go to query design and click. See, these are the results. 4 fields they want to show. So this. Now save this. With which field? DB2B. Save this with the name DB2B. Okay, close this table and right click on this table, query table. And you know, when query creates the results on the basis of criteria, new results are saved in a new table. So results extracted from this cottage table, all, see, bedroom 4 and star rating is there, but only bedroom 4 and star rating 3, more than 3 are here. Okay, so this one. So right click, copy, go to your file here, results, and control V, paste the results here. That's it. Save your file again, task db2. So display the queries we have done. Copy and paste also we have done. All fields are visible, yes. Resave it. Okay, so now it is done. Task db3. Open a new word processing document. So what we will do, we will open the same task db2, go to file and save as. Just give a name, give new name, db3. Okay, this one. Just select on table, right click and delete the table. Select the table, right click and delete the table. Okay, and save. So with the name db3, and in the footer double click here, you will change with the name db3. So file is ready now. We have created a new file. We made a copy of db2 and saved it with the name db3, and this footer information will remain same, only you will change task db3. Now the database has 3 linked tables. The contact table is linked to the rental table, cottage table is linked. This is just information given. Okay, 3 tables. Display the relationship between the tables. Make sure all fields names are displayed and take a screenshot of the relationship. So very simple. We will go to the database tools, relationships. So these are the relationships. Tables are, this is the database relationship. Tables are interlinked with each other. Okay, we will adjust it. And make sure all fields are visible. It should not be like this. Okay, and not be narrow also like this. Give some space, appropriate space like this, and relationships are written here. Okay, now what you will do, Windows shortcut key, Windows logo, Shift S. So crop from here till here. Open a Word file, task db3. Okay, Control V. So if you want to extend, you can extend it. Okay, if it is visible, no issue. It is. So make sure relationship is coming here. Without relationship, you can't show. The title should be here. Okay. This we have done. Don't print at this stage. In the document task db3, identify the primary key in one of the relationships. Okay, so open this file, task db3. So in Word 365, this feature is there. You just take this red pen and see their key sign is here. This is a primary key. This is also a primary key. This is also a primary. Anyone you can circle it, but we will take the pen size, normal pen size. Okay, and now we will see, and you can circle this and write here also. Primary. So anyone, you can use this, or you can use this, or you can use this. So this is also primary key, and this is also a primary key. Anyone you can use, but here one is required. Okay. Next is in document task db3, explain why a one-to-many relationship is used between the cottage and rental tables. So we will write the answer here. See, this is a cottage. Here cottage details are there. For example, we have guest rooms 4, 5, 3. They are fixed. If we have, we are running a hotel, for example, there are 10 rooms. So only fixed informations are there, because the cottage informations are fixed and the rental details will be varied. Okay, maybe in a week one cottage is on rent, went on rent for 2 days or 2 times or 3 times, in a month maybe 5 times. So cottage will be repeated here. See, here is cottage ID, one to many. Here cottage ID will be this one. This cottage ID will be repeated here. This code and this code is same. This is cottage code and this is cottage ID, but the value is same. Okay, so here this cottage ID will be repeated again and again. Okay, so here we will write the answer. That is number 2. As the cottage information are fixed, as I said, maybe we have 5 cottages, 4 cottage, 10 cottage. Fixed data is there in the table, but cottage rental details will be varied every week, every month, daily basis. Okay, maybe in a month one cottage on rent 3 times, 5 times, or maybe empty. That's the reason they have one-to-many relationship. So this is the answer. Resave. Martin wants a list of customers who have rented cottage with the rental date in the month of July. This one. Okay. This should show only the field cottage name, rental dates, first name, mobile number, rental period, and daily rate. Be sorted in ascending order of rental date within ascending order of cottage name. This is nested sorting. Okay. Nested sorting because we are sorting it on two fields. Create a query search to find this information. So this very important criteria, this one, rental date in July 2016. As you know, in July 31st days are there, so rental date is 1st July to 31st July. Okay, so we will not write month of July or in July, so we will give the proper date of the month. So we'll go in the database, we'll close this relationship, go to create, query design, and go to tables. This one, add all tables, it is better because arrange these tables also. Why we will add all tables? Because different fields have been selected in a query. See, cottage name is there from cottage, rental date is their last name from the contact table, first name also contact table, mobile number contact table, rental period from cottage, rental, and daily rate from the cottage. So different fields from different tables have been selected. That's why we will use relationships. Now select the fields. Cottage name, rental date, last name. Cottage name, where is the cottage name? Here. Cottage name, rental date, last name, first name, mobile number, rental period, and daily rate and daily rate. So these are the fields. Okay. Rental period in the month of July. So one reserve word is, one command is between. So you can use this one also. Between 1st July, month 1st, day 2nd, 7/1/2016 and 7/31/2016. So see, so between 1st July 2016 and 31st July 2016. So there is some mistake why it's coming between. Yes, so we will correct it. Actually before it was spelling mistake, that's why I took it as a text. So we will write it again. Between 7/1/2016 and 7/31/2016. Hit enter key. Okay, so between 7/1, here should be a space. There is a mistake. 7/1/2016 and 7/31/2016. See, it is taking as a string, so we will remove this. If in command there is a mistake, then now okay, huh? So between 7/1/2000 and July 31st 2000. Go to query design and run. We will use this. Check what is the problem. We will check the date. Rental period is this one. Days in the middle and month in first. So July is 16. Okay. Between 7/1/2016 and 7/31/2016. This is the criteria. To select the days for the month of July, we will write greater than equal to 7/1/2016 and less than or equal 7/31/2016. Daily rate rent. Oh, sorry, we are writing. Yes, we are writing wrong. We should write in rental date, not in period. Period is for 4 days, 4 months, 5 days. Here we will write. Okay, so we will write between 7/1/2016 and 7/31/2016. Enlarge the column size. See, the hash sign will come automatically. Hash sign will come automatically. This is one way. I will show you the result. So see, the rental date with the month of July. Okay, now you can write the other way also. This one, greater than or equal 7/1/2016 and 7 July 31st 2016. So either you write this one or this one. You can write any one, but I am giving you both. Okay, so either you use this one or this one. So I will remove this one. Query design and search the results. These are the results. So save it as a, we'll check with which name, db3b. So db3b, right click, copy, go in task db3 file. We have already pasted one result. Control V. So these are the results of task db. So table is so big, so it's better you bring on the second page. Yes. Task db3, we have saved it and display the query search in design view. Okay, sorry, in this paper they say we don't want the result db3 open in design view. So adjust this query design builder, this one, adjust move it up. Okay, and still okay, everything is proper, so you can put in the center. Now the make sure that this criteria column width must be appropriate. That should be visible to the examiner, this one. In system, no problem. If command is correct, even not visible, system, even if it is like this, system will give the result because command is correct. But for the examiner point of view, that must be clear. Okay, so now take the screenshot, Windows logo, Shift S, crop from here until here. Task DB3. So you can remove this table, delete table and paste. This is the design. And if image is not movable, please wrap it here, select anyone. Now it will allow you to move the image. You can adjust it. Okay, so 2 tasks we have done. And save the task also. Make sure all info required is readable. Take screenshot of the design view that we have done. And paste the screenshot into the task DB3 that also we have done. Task DB4. Martin wants report using results of the query search carried out in part B of the task DB3. Create a database report. Now we will create a report on this task DB3 results. The database report must have suitable title, show only these names, not all, only these fields. Make sure, that is very important, you have to select all, cover all these. Column headings are easy to understand. Database fits on one side of A4 and database report is fit for the purpose. Fit for the purpose means should be readable, each and every column adjustable, proper settings, proper formattings, then you will get full marks. Enter task DB4, your name, candidate number, and center number in the footer, page footer. Save the database report as task DB4 and print this report. But we will not print, we will paste the screenshot of the any one page because printing is not allowed now. Okay, even in a Excel exam printing is not required. We will save the PDF file. If sometime we are unable to save as a PDF, we will take the screenshots. Okay, so DB4, go here. Now close this one, go to create and query design, sorry, not query design, go to create. Now report wizard. From here, tables queries, you will select task DB3B. This is the last previous activity we have done. Now which fields? From here we have to select cottage name, rental date, last name, cottage name, rental date, last name, mobile number and daily rate. Mobile number, this is not required, first name, mobile number and daily rate is required. Only these fields are required. Now go next. Okay, now this is the formatting view. You want like this, up and down, just click on any, like this, or like this in one row. We want to display in one row. So you will, while you are viewing your data, please click on any field and you will see the format of this one, contact, rental, cottage, like this. So we have to select this. Next, do you want to add any grouping? At this level, no grouping. I will explain you another next paper what is grouping. So just don't select anyone, move to next. Here in the paper they ask to sort on any field. Show fields only this and must have suitable title. No sorting. If they have not asked you to sort, but you can do on any one field. For example, you can sort on last name, you can sort on rental date, you can sort on cottage name. It is up to you. But in the paper there is no requirement. Okay. So for example, I will sort on last. Next. And always select this tabular. See, reports will come like this. Headings on top and details are down. Next. And see this one. Report title should be appropriate, meaningful. Okay. Rental details in the month of July 2016. You know, in previous activity we have done rental details query, we have done rental date month of July. So same give title we will give and finish. See, this is the report, rental details in the month of July 2000. This is the last name, this is cottage name and rental date, mobile number and daily rate. If you want to make it bold or you want to create space here, see, cottage name is one word, some space should be there, daily rate also, and we will check it is a one word or cottage name is a one word, like this. Okay. Okay, so here you want to give some space or you want to bring this back, so you will, this is a report now. Okay, these are the database objects, right? So tables, queries, now reports are there. So right click there and go in design view. This is the, see, now at design view we can do some changes. This is the header, name of the report. This is the, like in Excel, top heading of the column, last name and this last. So you can give some space. So the heading is here, so you can make it bold also. For example, in formatting you go and see, bold this, and cottage name, go and bold this formatting. Okay, and see this one, you can bring it here, give some space, and this is a cottage name, you can bring it here, and rental date bring here, you can start from here, parallel, right? Mobile number, okay, no issue, but rental date you can bring it here, and mobile number give some space. Okay, and you can move this here, or you can go to format and put it left aligned, like this. Okay, so now we will check. See, so last name, cottage name, now space is there, mobile number, okay, daily rate is, you know, more space here. This is right align, this is left align. So we will go to the design again, design view, and this one you can set this, go to format and left align, this one also, and this one also left align. We will check. Now see, okay, and this rental date also left align, it's better. So right click and design view, and this rental date and format, and left align. This result, because we have set this left align, this is left align, so this also should be left align. Right, now run the double click on the report. Now see, it's better. Okay, so this is page 1 of 1. Now go to in design view again. How many sections of the report? One report header, then page header, then detail where data will come. Maybe this detail will fill 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 10 pages, all details like a student information, it will come here. And this is the end of the page where date will be written. This is a page footer where today's date, end of the page, not end of the report. Every page date and page number will be here. And just come here from this, yes, like this, drag it down. Okay, this is still page footer, so go here. From here, see this one, this is the report footer, mean end of the report, last page of the report, what we want to print. Okay, for example, you want to print the manager name, okay, principal name, headmaster name, whatever, any executive name, so you will give the name here. For example, company name and seal should be here, so you will write the company name, and after printing you will stamp it. Okay, so if there is no space, it comes like this. Okay, so this is a page footer. If you want to write on the page footer, then you will write here. For what you which for tool you will use from the here report design, these tools. This for text, normally we use this tool, label. Okay, so you will just click and write here. Here you will write same task db4 like this, then your name. Okay, your name and your ID and center and your, so you can this, close this, take the screenshot of this one, and now paste in task db4. So this is the first part, and this is, just a minute, we will do that. Yes, now we are in a file here, control V, so you can paste on 2 pages. So this is end of task db4.